Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And welcome to Angular series. In this video, in the previous video, we talked about directives in Angular, and also we discussed what kind of directives do we have in Angular, such as attribute directives, structural directives, component directives, and etc. Also, if you didn't watch the previous video, I suggest you go back and watch the videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you what is NgStyle and how do we use it in Angular. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is NgStyle? So this is the official website. You can also read the documentation. NgStyle is an attribute directives that update the style for that containing HTML element. It's also used for styling your HTML elements. Yeah, and let's jump into the code and how do we use it also. For example, here I have a heading in NgStyle directive angulars and one div with a paragraph, and I want to change the color or the background color of divs by using ngif. How do we use it? Okay, we should open the bracket ng and s capital NgStyle, and here like this. And for example, I'm going to change the background color of this, separate by colon, and also the value. The background color should be, for example, yellow. Let's save it and run it. You know how to run Angular project by ng serve. Okay, I also already ran the project, as you can see here, and let's see the output. Localhost 4200. As you can see, this is my heading and this is my div, which has the background color yellow. That's how you can use NgStyle to change the style of your HTML element. For example, let's change here. For example, NgStyle, and let's change the color. Color should be, for example, blue. And also, if you want to set more properties, you can separate by comma, and for example, font size. Okay, that's how you can use it. Font size, for example, 23 pixel. Let's save it. And the output, as you can see, I changed the color of my heading, and also I changed the font size of my by using NgStyle directives. Yeah, that's very easy, and I hope you will like it. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.